Hi everyone, welcome back. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to turn off active status on your Facebook. Others can't see when you are online. It's quick, simple, and will help you to stay private. So please watch this video to the end and do not forget to like this video. So let's get started. So friends, first of all, open Facebook Lite application from your mobile. Now tap on the message icon section top of the left side. Now you can see an interface like this. Now tap on the settings icon top of the right side. Now you can see an interface like this. To turn off active status on your Facebook, select and tap on the active status section. It is final step to turn off active status on your Facebook. Just tap on here. Now tap on the turn off button. That's it. So friends, if you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.